Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So in this video, we're just going to see how to type the dollar symbol on your Google Docs in PC or laptop. So you can have a shortcut key. This is the first method. You just need to press Shift plus 4. So just pressing Shift plus 4 give you a dollar symbol like this. The second method is you just need to go to the insert option here, then click on go to the special character in drop menu. Then here you just need to select the in category symbol, you just need to select as currency. It will be on the 4th place. So in currency you can see every currency here. So for an example, the cent, dollar, every symbol has been here, so you can use this method. The another method, you can you can draw the dollar symbol like this, and you can find every different design of the dollar symbols like this, and you can type here. So this is a 3 method that you can easily find the dollar symbol on Google Docs. If you want more videos about like this, just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.